Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix iRobot Home app and not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to discuss three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first is just go to your Google Play Store guys, and then just search for the iRobot Home. And guys, from here, just tap on the application. And when iRobot Home has an update, you should be able to update it over here. So for the first solution, just ensure you are running the latest version of the app. And for the second solution, just go to the settings and then go to the apps. And then once you are here, guys, just find iRobot. As you can see, tap on it. And from here, guys, just tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache, also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to have a working iRobot application. And guys, if this solution doesn't work, all you have to do is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall the application, and then once you uninstall it, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again on your device. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!